Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing about simulating and seeing how a resistor works, and we are going to see a potentiometer, which is more like a variable resistor, and we are going to see how it is being used in the circuit, right? So over to the video. So here I'm going to start by taking a breadboard. The breadboard is available on the panel which is on your right hand side. I'm going to pick up a 9-volt battery. I'm going to rotate it so that we can align it properly, and I'm going to pull it a little inside so that we can see that clearly in the screen. Now if you see, the red, as we all know, is the positive power supply, and we are going to connect it on the top, and then the negative, which is black, is connected on the bottom. Right now I'm going to I'm looking for LED, so that I will show you what happens when an LED is connected directly to a battery. Be careful with the terminals. Here the anode is actually on the right side, so I'm rotating it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking a positive supply and connecting it to the anode of the LED, and the negative supply is connected to the negative of the battery, right? So it's a 9-volt battery. So let's see what happens. Start simulating. Okay, so if you see, the LED is animated as if it's broken, right? The reason is because the LED is getting somewhere around 915 milliamps, whereas it is only supposed to get 20 milliamps, right? So we cannot directly connect. From this we can understand that we cannot directly connect the power source to the LED. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect a resistor, right? So the positive to the resistor and other end of the resistor to the LED, right? Okay, now stimulating. Okay, it's fine and it works perfectly, right? So we can use any LED. Glad that in this particular software we have so many options that we can simulate and see with different color LEDs, right? So you also try the same in the same website, Tinkercad, and see what happens, right? Fine. Now we will try with potentiometer. Potentiometer is a variable resistor. So the connection is that the first pin, actually it has 3 pins. So here the first pin is connected to positive supply, the second pin is the output to output, or the input to the LED, and the third pin is grounded. Here we are connecting it to the negative supply, right? I'm going to simulate it. So if you see, initially the LED is damaged. That actually, the reason is because of the potentiometer. In the initial state, the potentiometer's resistance was too low, so almost the entire current flow through it, and it damaged the LED. So now if you see, with more the least resistance, more current flows and it damages the LED, whereas if you increase the resistance, less current flows and the LED works perfect, right? Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet soon in the next video with little more complicated simulation. Until then, bye bye.